Hello.
Congratulations for your NEET rank and also finally for clearing out the UPSC CMS exam. How are you feeling?
I was very happy that what I thought. I actually didn't even think about UPSC much. I'm like every medico has primary goal of doing NEET PG only. So that was like cherry on the top for me. So
That's
I'm very happy.
excellent. That's excellent. So इसका मतलब जब हम least expect करते हैं किसी चीज से and then when it happens, it gives the double
Hmm.
happiness. Is it?
Definitely,
Yeah.
definitely.
So, Dr. Astha, I just wanted to have a very brief session with you so that you can give us some
Hmm.
insight about the ongoing NEET PG aspirants who are actually not satisfied with their rank. So, first, I would like to ask you, what was your rank last NEET PG 2024?
That was very bad. That was 43,000, something, something, 43,000. From
पे
it,
उस टाइम पे क्या आपके फैमिली ने फ्रेंड्स ने बोला व्हाट शुड यू डू हाउ शुड यू गो फर्दर बिकॉज you know NEET PG is actually a very unpredictable exam and we don't know what is going to happen in the next year. So how did you tackle that situation, that hard situation?
I think that was like it feels like devastated. Like अब कुछ नहीं बचा है. We feel like a failure, of course, and every person, every NEET PG aspirant goes through that phase, and it is important also कि आप वो फील करो कि आपने क्या गलत किया है. एक्चुअली जब मैं आई गेव दैट एग्जाम आई फेल्ट कि मैंने तो सब प्रिपेयर कर दिया है. मेरे साथ क्यों ऐसा हुआ. आई थॉट कि मैंने अपना बेस्ट दे दिया है. But then I think you were the only person who was like targeting it कि बता लूप होल्स कहाँ है. एक्चुअली थॉट अबाउट इट कि हाँ मेरी गलती हो सकती है. वी इट्स वेरी सिंपल टू ब्लेम एग्जाम पैटर्न. दो शिफ्ट में हो गया. हम ये सब फील कर रहे थे लास्ट ईयर. बट देन एक्चुअली आई रिकंसिडर्ड एवरीथिंग. आई थॉट अबाउट इट कि माई फैमिली एंड एवरी वन अराउंड मी वॉज लाइक कि क्यों ही प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो दोबारा. यू शुड टेक सम नॉन क्लिनिकल सीट और टेक पैथोलॉजी. या फिर लास्ट में ये भी बोल देते हैं कि अगर इतना मन है तो हम प्राइवेट में करा देते हैं. तो बट दैट वाज समथिंग कि जो मुझे खुशी लाइक व्हाट इज द पॉइंट इफ आई स्पेंड क्रोर्स ऑन अ नीट पीजी सीट एंड आई एम नॉट हैप्पी. सो आज बाकी रैंक एवरीथिंग जो भी है मोस्ट थिंग जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट जो मुझे अब मिली है दैट इज हैप्पीनेस.
The
So I was
satisfaction.
waiting for it. Yeah, I'm very satisfied. I'm very happy about it. Finally, I got what I was aiming for.
That's excellent. That's actually appreciable, and it's also something that we should consider and take inspiration from you.
I suffered from multi-ligament injury, ACL, MCL, meniscus, everything gone. And I, like, just after exam, need PGK, just 1 week later, I like got a very bad injury. And then I got operated for that, like, in September.
Mhm.
And was like, I felt like, yeah, ab kya hoga? Because the doctor told me that it will take around 1.5 years for to heal completely. तो मुझे लगता था कि मैं कैसे करूंगी. I'll have because I was having my physiotherapy sessions going on like 2 hours daily on physiotherapy. फिर उसके बाद it was very painful actually. Then daily आप injections लगा रहे हो, पेन किलर्स ले रहे हो, तो बहुत bad time था वो. But then the only thing that got me going was that कि निकालना ही है. कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है. आई कांट गो बैक. आई कांट गो बैक. एंड आई वाज लाइक कि इससे बुरा अब क्या ही होगा. इससे बोलना आसान लग रहा है. बट अगर बुरी रैंक भी आती तब भी वो मेरी ही रैंक होती. आई डिसाइडेड दैट कि आई टेक वट एवर द डेस्टिनी हैज written for me. So
And destiny has something very good for you, maybe this year.
yeah.
Yeah.
So I think I was like बाद में मैं पॉजिटिव हो गई थी कि अब जो भी है करना ही है कि
It
अब
means
पैर
that
को बाद में. हाँ.
yeah, the real this journey started from April, May, June, July, August, like 4 to 5 months.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
definitely.
So now coming towards your preparation, because you had a major jump from 43,000 to 4K. It's a
Hmm.
major jump. And many of our
Hmm.
aspirants wants to know, like they are confused, what should be done? We were always a bright student. We were getting good rank in GTs. And now we got a rank of 20K or 40K or 60K and now don't know what to do. So I just want it to be known by you that what were your different phases of preparation? What were your models of preparation? How did you start? What were your platforms? What was your strategy? I just wanted to can you share it with us?
Yeah. एंड इट्स नॉट कि हम 10 सोर्सेज से पढ़ेंगे तो वील गेट इट डन. मैं पहले भी बीटीआर पढ़ती थी, पहले भी मैरो पढ़ती थी, और इस बार भी मैंने मैरो एंड बीटीआर ही पढ़ा. बट द ओनली डिफरेंस आई थिंक गेम चेंजर वाज लाइक आई प्रैक्टिस मोर नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. पहले आई थॉट कि मेरी लिमिट बस इतनी ही है, 60-70 क्वेश्चंस पर डे,
How
एंड
many
आई वाज
questions were
हैप्पी.
you solving every day before?
Before, like last year I used to
Yeah,
do just
yeah,
50-60 questions, and I used to think कि बहुत है. But
yeah.
now this time I got like increase, and last तक तो I was doing like 400-500 questions
Oh,
per day. I was trying कि मैं like I was like I divided my time in that way कि I'll give 40% of time to theory and 60% to questions. So
excellent.
and I did all the ENDs. Last year I found that I didn't do all the ENDs of Zainab ma'am, so I
Mhm.
ordered all the ENDs, then GTs. Every week I had this major GT fear. So मुझे पता था कि मेरा fear ही GT है, तो मैं anxious हो जाती हूँ बहुत ज्यादा. So I used to give like I did priming, like हर हफ्ते दो GT देना. So
Great.
yeah, so that
What was
was.
your initial GT score, Asta? Initially, what was your GT score when you started after NEET PG 2024?
I was struck at somewhere 130,
And what was your final
125
GT
to
score just
130.
before the NEET PG exam?
150 around. I was like 150, sometimes 155, but इतना ही था.
Usually
But
does.
final exam में थोड़ा better हुई.
Yeah. So do you find that the marks of GT simulate the real exam, or it's dependent on the day also?
Definitely not. They definitely helps you in practicing. It gives you the strength to sit for those long 3 hours and frame your mind in that 3 घंटा कैसे काम करना है. But it will not be the same जो आप जीटी में देते हो. मेरा लास्ट जीटी स्कोर वाज 150 तक, बट
Okay.
मेन एग्जाम में उससे ज्यादा ही हुआ है, बेटर हुआ है.
You talked about GT. Now I wanted to ask, like, what do you find beneficial after giving ENDs? And is it only that Dr. Zenamem's END should be done, or any of the tests and discussions are good for the same?
Personally, I did just Zena ma'am's END, so मैं तो उसी पर comment कर सकती हूँ. But I
Yeah.
think every platform gives you equal things. Knowledge सब teachers के पास उतनी ही है. But I chose Zena ma'am, and I was very very happy about it because ma'am gave you various platform information at one source only.
How did END help?
Hmm. So, END basically helps us to rule out the options. मतलब it's not basically that you know that ये ही आंसर है, B ही आंसर है, बट आपको पता होना. END ये सिखाता है कि A नहीं है, C नहीं है, D कैसे नहीं है, और फिर भी अगर आप दो में कंफ्यूज हैं तो how to make the smart choice.
And that's
So
what I guess,
END.
nowadays the exams are like. हम जितना भी पढ़ेंगे, जितना भी हम concepts करेंगे, it's not like what I read about megaloblastic anemia that is going to be asked in the question. I have to just be prepared कि whatever the question is asked, I am able to rule out that this is not megaloblastic, this is HS, or this is folic acid deficiency, or whatever. So I guess that's one of the most important thing that END helps a lot of individuals, right?
Yeah, and one more thing, that ma'am has integrated everything. So
Yeah.
when you do integrated questions, then आप चार चीजें और सोचते हो rather than just thinking straight.
Yeah. So do you think that, Dr. Asta, that this exam is just about 19 different subjects, or it is the integration of all the 19 subjects?
Definitely integrated. मतलब, rather than leaving the short subjects like forensic and everything, but it's all integration. You should know how to like connect the dots.
Okay. Also, during the revision time, do you used to do in such a way that the integrations come all along? Like when you're doing all the medicine aspect, you're doing physiopatho, pharma. Do you used to follow this pattern, or you had a different
Yeah,
pattern?
yeah. Yeah, I used to do custom modules, so I used to make it that way only. Like I used to select a respiratory system from all physiology, then patho, pharma, medicine, and I used to solve like 100 questions of all four in an integrated way.
Integrated.
So yeah.
Great. So also, because you discussed about custom module, can you tell me the importance of custom module that helped you a lot in jumping your rank?
Tags basically used to be NEET PG and AIMS and clinical based questions. And सब्जेक्ट आई यूज्ड टू सेलेक्ट ब्लाइंडली कि
Blind.
आज ये कोई भी चार सब्जेक्ट्स का मिक्स पैक करना है.
So the
So that
custom
was
module.
like
Hmm, please
that
tell.
was like a mental ex that was like a mental exercise daily.
So matlab daily you're giving a type of mini GTs while solving these 100 questions, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes,
So do
definitely.
you find that importance? Do you want to give this as an advice to the current aspirants?
Yes, definitely. That everyone should. I think questions is the game changer. So please focus more on questions. If you are like attempting NEET PG for the first time, then definitely you should focus on concepts first, and then should go for BTR. And people usually ask, is BTR enough? Is BTR enough? Many people like they have just one question. BTR is definitely enough if you compile it with compile modules, END, and also you should have some basic like ground. Then you
Concept
should
होना
go for
चाहिए उसके
BTR.
ऊपर आप
BTR
supplement कर
is like
सकते हैं.
हाँ,
Right, right.
definitely,
Get
definitely.
it, get it.
I had the grip on my like my good subjects that were maybe surgery, medicine, pathology. So they were like I was good in those, but I was
So
not good in
yeah.
anatomy. Yeah,
So what
so
I come
I
to know
didn't
from
focus.
this is that you told that you were good at surgery, you were good at medicine and pathology. That are the major chunk for any exam, be it NEET PG or be it for INSS. So if you are very good at these major subjects, definitely you are going to have a good rank. What about microbiology, biochemistry, and FMT that I keep on saying that these are the game changers?
Yeah. Yeah, that is very important. I followed Zainab ma'am, and also I did RR from Preeti ma'am for that.
Mm-hmm.
And I think ma'am has given very crisp knowledge information in
Xenom ma'am,
that
right?
PDF. Yeah, Zainab ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
So definitely you should do RR once or twice, and then you can stick to Zainab ma'am for that. I think it is enough for biochemistry and microbiology. I think it is enough, and do more or more questions for that.
First, I would like to know about your 20th copy. Did you have this 20th copy or something else for your last day's revision?
Actually, I honestly speaking, I never made this 20th notebook.
Mm-hmm.
But I definitely had some, like, I used to collect some screenshots and I made some folders like anatomy, biochemistry, and every folders. And जो last के दो तीन दिन में I'll go through all the screenshots. So I made that folder on my tab. So that was my 20th notebook. And then I focused on Mega BTR. That
Great.
was very important. Yeah.
Mega BTR of what
Yeah.
exactly helped you in Mega BTR?
It is like amazing thing that I got to know from Dimag basically. So it was like in last 2 days I did nothing. I had my syllabus done. Like 2 दिन पहले मैंने प्लान किया था कि वो मैं खत्म कर लूंगी एंड लास्ट 2 डेज में मैंने सिर्फ मेगा बीटीआर उठाया एंड जो 19 सब्जेक्ट्स हैं आई जस्ट डिड दैट पैसिवली. तो उससे ये हुआ कि मैं एग्जाम से जस्ट पहले 2 दिन पहले मेरा सारा मेमोरी रिकलेक्ट हो गई उन
Recollect.
19 से.
Yeah. Okay, that was the importance of Mega BTR. And also, I would like to tell everyone that in Mega BTR, ma'am has also included the different PYQs, the different types of questions with the entire revision that is going to help you during the last phase of your exam, be it INSET, be it FMG, be it UPSC, or be it NEET. So Mega BTR is one thing that I would recommend to everyone during the last 10 days. Okay. Now, talking about the another thing that is about your INSET May. What was your INSET May rank?
That was not good. It was 13,000 in INSET में जो जो इनफैक्ट नवंबर में से पीछे चली गई थी. In
What was your
November में
November INSET?
it was 9,000,
Ah.
and in this May I was 13,000. So it was very depressing for me कि पीछे कैसे चली गई मैं.
So
So
again, making a jump from 13,000 to 4K. What different did you do from May till August 3?
fall, I was little disheartened by 13,000 rank. But then the major thing that was struck in my mind was कि मुझे अपना mental balance ठीक रखना है and not get affected by that 13,000 rank. So I tried कि उससे affect ना हो, and I used to meditate थोड़ा थोड़ा जो भी मुझसे हो सकता है to keep my like to keep myself sane enough. And then I also joined offline BTR ma'am का. तो उससे भी मुझे काफी मोटिवेशन मिला व्हेन आई स्टडीड विद लाइक 700 पीपल अराउंड मी एंड सीइंग ज़ेनब मैम इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी. इट वाज जस्ट गूज़बम्प वाली
Different
फीलिंग.
experience. Yeah.
Yeah, have
Yeah,
that
because the
opportunity.
people might have this FOMO. I don't think there should be a FOMO of all these things of boot
No,
camp
not
and all,
not
right?
at all. No, not at all. Even if you're studying it from different platform, I think all teachers deliver same information.
Same information.
It just yeah, yeah. It's
Great.
just what you grab from them.
Okay. So, Dr. Asta, I would like to ask you one of the very last question regarding the last 10 days strategy for NEET.
तो आपको ये जो पूरे साल की मेहनत होनी चाहिए, it should be like for those last 10 days. So I'll suggest every aspirant कि make your notes in that way जो आप लास्ट के 10 दिन पढ़ पाओ. जो 20th नोटबुक की बात हो रही है एग्जैक्टली आई डोंट नो कि आप 2 दिन के लिए बनाओ या 10 दिन के लिए. मेरा मेरा मेन गोल था कि अपने नोट्स को आई हैव टू कंपाइल इन दैट वे जो मैं लास्ट के 10 दिन रिवाइज कर सकूं.
How
तो
did you
दैट
do
हैड
that?
ऑल बी yeah, I had ma'am's BTR PDFs. So I had BTR. I also did RR from Marrow. So I used to take screenshots, जो भी कुछ extra information लगे, and I used to compile it in one single PDF. So
Hmm.
I had some short, crisp notes. वही मेरे notes थे, like BTR and Marrow के, and that was वो मैं revise कर सकती थी. That was not something कि not doable है.
The high
Parts.
yield topics. Also,
Yeah,
one thing,
definitely.
how did you come to know that okay, this is a PYT, this is an important topic? How did you come to know that?
Questions. It is all about questions. I used to solve questions. I used to grab things कि अच्छा ये आता है. And honestly speaking, I didn't focus much on PYQs. And that also I learned from you that
Hmm.
PYQs is not something कि आप सिर्फ वही करो. PYTs is important definitely, पर अब पैटर्न बहुत चेंज हो गया है. PYQs नहीं देते हैं. 10-15 क्वेश्चन PYQ है मैक्स टू मैक्स. तो
Mainly, it is revolving around the PYT. If they are asking
yes.
this common peroneal nerve injury, they will keep on asking it, but in a different way. Asta, so thank you so much for sharing all these insights. I just wanted you to summarize the main 5 points that help you to achieve this good rank. The main crisp 5 points.
Okay. Consistency. Like I was consistent each and every day. जो भी problems होती थी, I used to try कि हो जाए. Then consistency, then trusting yourself, then maintaining the correct mental balance, and also avoiding all the negativities around you, and revising. Revising is the key. Like
That's
revising,
great.
revising, revising.
Yeah, you gave a very good psychological and philosophical advice, but I would also like to know about the practical advices that you would want to give to the students.
So first of all, the main thing is those 3 घंटा. तो आपको अपने आप को ट्रेन करना है उन 3 घंटे के लिए. उसके लिए यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस आवर्स में 3 घंटा बैठ के हर हफ्ते एट सेम टाइम, लाइक मेकिंग द सेम कंडीशंस अराउंड यू. मॉर्निंग में ब्रेकफास्ट करके 9 बजे बैठ जाओ एग्जाम के लिए जैसे आप एग्जाम में देते हो. तो इट विल प्राइम यू फॉर द मेन एग्जाम. यू विल नॉट फील इट इज लाइक यू बहुत कुछ डिफरेंट करना है. मैं इसी मेंटालिटी के साथ एग्जाम में गई थी कि मेरे लिए ये नॉर्मल एग्जाम है जैसे मैं आज तक दी, क्योंकि मुझे तो जीटी फियर था. एंड आई थिंक मेनी एस्पिरेंट्स हैव दिस जीटी फियर थिंग. तो एंड डिमोटिवेट नहीं होना अपने मार्क्स से कि लाइक पीपल स्टॉप गिविंग जीटीज इफ यू आर गेटिंग लो मार्क्स. What's the point? We have to learn from GTs. And one more thing ki GT ko na, when you give GTs, then I used to do this. I was not getting ki where I'm going wrong. So I used to make 4 columns like concept error, then recall error, then concept, recall, silly mistakes, and new information. And I used to categorize things कि
Yeah.
कहाँ मेरी गलती हो रही है ज्यादा. तो I used to find कि मैं silly mistakes बहुत कर रही हूँ.
ज़्यादा
तो I worked on silly mistakes. तो अपने लूप होल्स खुद समझो. नो बडी विल टेल यू. इफ यू आस्क मी कि मैं कैसे करूं, तो आई विल नॉट टेल यू समथिंग न्यू. मैं आपको अपनी चीजें बताऊंगी. सो ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड योर लूप होल्स. नो बडी विल बी हेल्पिंग यू इन दैट.
Great. What about anything else? Anything else you want to talk? Anything else you would like to tell to the new aspirants who are confused about INSET, about NEET PG? Is it crackable? Will I be able to do that? I got a rank of 1 lakh. I got a rank of 40,000. Will I be able to come below 5K? Do you want to give any advice to them?
Uh, yeah, the biggest advice and example is you. You are the biggest example for that. You got 10,000 rank in NEET PG, and then 2 months later you got 452 rank.
Hmm.
So I think you are the biggest example. So it is crackable, of course. You have to be consistent. You have to believe in yourself. And people usually give up. I gave up honestly कि मेरे से तो नहीं होगा उस टाइम जब नेट पीजी एंड आईएनएसएड के बीच में टाइम था. I studied थोड़ा 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 but not बहुत अच्छे से.
Yeah.
So you did that. So
Hmm.
I think everyone can do that if you are consistent.
Yeah,
Hmm.
determination, if there's a discipline, if there's a consistency, and
Hmm.
you know your loopholes. That's what I guess you wanted to tell us, that knowing the loopholes, self-interrogating, realizing that, okay, where am I going wrong, whether it is related to my concepts, whether it is related to my silly mistakes or the fact-based questions, at what Dr. Asa was giving the example. So yeah, I guess that was a very good information and the insight from you. It was a session with Dr. Astha, and she gave us a very good insight on whatever. It was a session with Dr. Astha, and she gave us a very good insight on whatever she had faced. So